Hi there, thanks for tuning to my channel. Abaton Shekdemia. In this video, I would love to show you how to lock cells, set password, and workbook permissions. This is extremely useful when you don't want someone to make changes to a particular worksheet more than a limit or the limit that you have set. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel, I love to bring Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorials. Consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So let's take a short break and get started. Thank you. Hi there, welcome back to the short break. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So here in Microsoft Excel, I have a particular worksheet well formatted for you. So this is the scenario here. Let's assume you see a part of my worksheet is what is graded out. You can see I have a gray color here. Let's assume I don't want the person I am going to be sharing this worksheet with to make changes or input anything more than this one, more than this cell here that are graded out. So I don't want them to make changes or to input any data outside what, outside this particular cell. So all I have to do is what, lock these cells. So I'll lock these cells and I will unlock all the cells. It sounds funny, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So all I have to do is what, select the place I want to unlock and I will select the place I want to lock. It's as simple as that. When I have this selected, I'll come to the format here on the remember under the in the home section. You see lock, and I click this. This particularly it unlock these cells that I've selected and what unlock all other cells outside it. I'll show you what it means. And I click that. You see, so this is what, this is unlock. Why this is what, these are what, these are lock. But you won't notice right now because as I see on it, except what I set workbook, I protect the workbook. So since I've locked what, I've unlocked this cell, I'll go back again and what, you see, let me show you a quick one here. You see I'm selecting this, so it's showing what is not locked. But when I come here and set outside there, see what will happen. See, I have a what, a graded share. That means what, all these cells are locked, but this is what, this is unlocked. Hope I'm making sense. I think so. But this won't work actually until what, I protect what, this worksheet. I'll go back again and I click on protect sheets. Yes, this dialog box pops up. It's going to ask me where do I want to protect. Is it the what, is it the lock cell or the what, or the unlock cell? So if I tick this, that means I only want to what, I only want to protect what, the lock cells. I don't want to protect what, the unlock cell. So the unlock cells, someone, if I share the workbook with someone, the person will be able what, to input data into what, those particular cells. This is extremely useful for what, for data entry tasks. And I click OK. Boom. See where it will tap. You can see all these cells what are now locked. How do I know? When we check my ribbon bar, you can see all these what are graded out. That means the person can only what, input data here, and the person won't be able to do any other thing else except what, except input data that I want the person to input. Let me show you on that thing. If I click a new worksheet and see what, my ribbon bar are back. So if I go back to my old work, my permission, you can see this is what, these are graded out. So I've just successfully what, lock and what, unlock my what, my worksheet. So that's how to do that. Now that I would love to show you is what, inputting what, setting password to a particular worksheet. So all this won't make sense if you don't password this worksheet. So to do that, I'll come to the file tab under info. You can see, so this here all that you see, one or more sheets in this workbook have been locked to prevent unwanted changes to the data. So let me just what, encrypt with the password to make my what, my work absolutely fine. I'll just encrypt. I'll just give a random password. You can set a strong password if you like. And I click on OK. So it tells me to confirm the password. then boom. As you say, well, a password is required to open this workbook. Another thing I would love to show you is what, apart from what encrypting the password, protect current sheets, I can also protect my workbook structure. I click this, so it asks me what to input a what protect workbook structure and windows. Just the structure only. I can just put in the password, a random password also. Boom. I'll just confirm my password. Boom. You see, cool, right? What else I would love to show you is what, you go back to the file tab and click on info and see a password is required to open this workbook. The structure of this workbook and will lock to prevent unwritten changes. You see, super easy for Excel, as I have this graded out, so I can mark this workbook as final. Let's assume I've inputted my data for some share. Let's say now if I'm to input data here, it will only stay within this row. I can't input any other data here. Let's just input 1,000 here, 2,000, 3,000. So I can really input data in all these cells that are unlocked. I can input data in all these cells that are blocked. Let's assume what I'm through with my data entry, and I want to mark this workbook as final. I'll just go back to the file tab, info, and I'll mark this workbook also as final. I'll just click this. The workbook will be marked as final and then saved. Okay, you see I've marked it as final. Okay, fine. So this mark shows the mark as final, and also as mark this workbook as final. So let's assume I want to give this to my boss, so I know that what for the integrity of the data, I'm through with my data entry, and I mark this workbook as final. But this doesn't actually protect the worksheet in any way. I can simply click this, edit anyway, and it opens it. But because I've locked my cells and I've unlocked some cells, this is still graded out and you see perfectly okay for me. One last thing I want to show you is what this digital signature here. So you can add digital signature either from Microsoft Excel or from all other sources. I recommend buying digital signature from Microsoft to show integrity of your worksheet, especially when you're in a financial industry. So guys, let's do that. So let's try to close this workbook and open it again. You see it will require it will require a password. I'll just open a new blank sheet. Boom. So I'll come down here, cancel this, I'll just save it. Yes, I've saved it. Let's try to open that worksheet again. It's going to require, you see, this workbook requires a password. I'll just input my password. I'll press OK. You see, so my cells are still locked. So the person can unlock it, or else the person knows the password, and I can continue my data entry work. See, that's it. So guys, if this tutorial was helpful, do consider to give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I hope you know now how to lock cells and unlock cells, how to set password and set workbook permissions. Bye bye. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video, which is on Wednesday. Do keep in touch for more amazing content. Bye bye.